guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm J Castro MUA, welcome. Today we are doing an unboxing, try on, first impression, and review for the July Boxycharm. Box is a little damaged. Clearly the mailman wasn't too happy this day, but it's okay. None of the products are damaged, so that's a plus. In this video, I take you through each of the products. I try on each of the products. I tell you how much they're worth individually and a little bit about the products. I review each of the products and then I tell you how much the box is worth at the end. And then I also review the box in a whole at the end of the video. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription that you receive once a month, hence the monthly makeup subscription. It cost me $45 here in Canada, $40 to $45, and you receive 5 full-size products, which is not bad. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Turn on the notifications bell so you know when I will be posting. If you want to see what I think about the box, then please continue watching. I'm gonna start off the video by telling you that I've already peeked in the box just to see how far I should go with my skincare routine, and so far I have just washed my face, and I've also applied the Maybelline Brow Tattoo, which is a peel-off tint on my brows. They're gonna be on my brows while I do my makeup. So yeah, they'll be on there the whole time. That's why they're a lot darker than they usually are. We can go ahead and get started on the box. This one's theme is Au Naturale, so I'm assuming a lot of the products are more natural based products, maybe more natural looking. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Luxie Gaea 3 brush set. This brush set includes 3 brushes. In the brush set you have the Luxie 510 foundation brush, the Luxie 246 precision crease brush, and the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. I'm going to review these closer to the end of the video because I'm going to use them throughout the video, but let me read about them to you. The Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. And precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And these, as a set, retail for $30. The next product I pulled out is the Elemis Super Good Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And this on its own retails for $35. I'm actually going to use the Luxie 510 foundation brush to apply this. So let's read how to apply it. So it says, feed the skin with this versatile super green mask. Formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruits acid help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So the directions are to apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. It's been 10 minutes and it's time to remove the mask. I'm going to do that with the Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloth. This convenient cotton cleansing spa water cloth remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. And this on its own retails for $17. So let's see, the package says, so there's no artificial colors, fragrance, or petroleum-based mineral oil. A quick and easy skincare collection infused with thermal spring water and natural herbs in our spa blend water to protect and nurture skin. Quickly and gently removes makeup, leaving nutrients to replenish and rejuvenate skin. Removes waterproof makeup without leaving an oily residue on the skin. Rinse-free, oil-free, made from 100% cotton. So the reason I'm using this to remove the mask instead of removing makeup is because I need to go out after this. I don't want to have to remove the makeup just to do it all over again. So I'm just going to use this. 2 cloths, one to wipe it all off and then one to just make sure it was all gone. And the first wipe did pretty good at wiping off the mask. I know it's not wiping off makeup. It did a good job of removing what it had to remove. I love that there is no smell to these whatsoever. They're not super perfumey and there's not too much of a fragrance, so it's really, really, really nice. I love that after using it, my face doesn't feel oily. Usually when I use makeup wipes, I have that like film of oil on my face, but I do not have that right now, so it's good. Of the mask. I mean, it's not something that I could review after one use. It's definitely something I need to continue to use in order to determine whether or not I really like it. So far, I do like the way my skin feels. It feels soft, it's smooth. Can't really tell if it's like brightened my skin, but it does look a little luminous. So, hey, that's good. Definitely something I need to continue to use for sure. I am very happy with both these products. You can never have too many of either. Just great to have cloths around to remove makeup, and also great to have face masks because of all the makeup I wear. It's good to take care of my skin. So next up we have the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's Vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And this on its own retails for $32. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. There isn't a transition shade in this palette, so I'm going to jump into another palette just to use a transition shade. And I'm jumping into the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm using the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush, and I'm going to take transition. Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush, I'm going to go into Temptress. Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush, I'm going to go into Femme Fatale. Taking the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush, I'm going to go back into Temptress, and I'm going to blend all of that in. A little bit, so I'm going to go in with Diva with the Precision Crease Brush and apply that directly to the middle of the eye. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. I'm back. I have done the other eye and I have also finished my face just because there are no face products in the box. I just want to finish off the eyes on camera and then I will give you a review. So taking that Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush, I am going to go into Star. Into Enchantress. So I'm going to give you a quick review on all 3 brushes. brushes since I'm officially done using them. The first brush I used was the Luxie 510 foundation brush. So I use this not as a foundation brush because I mostly like using a beauty blender or a sponge for my face. So I used it to apply the mask. I mean, for what I used it for, it worked great. Does it apply foundation properly? I don't know, because I'd rather not use a brush. I literally very comfortable using sponges or beauty blenders, but I mean, for the mask, it was great. I used the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, which is that one, and the Luxie 246 precision crease brush, which is this one. And I mean, I created the whole eye look using just both of these brushes, and I mean, they're not bad brushes. They're brushes. I really like these. This one did an amazing job at blending everything out. I mean, I used a light brown, a dark brown, and a blue for this, and it did great. And then I used this to pack on the blue as well as the inner corner highlight, and underneath the eye I used like a bit of a shimmery green, and it did an amazing job. So I really like these. So the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. I mean, I'm just gonna say it's nothing special. The shades aren't as pigmented as you would think they are. I packed the crap out of this on my eyelid and it doesn't look that dark at all. Also, there was a lot of fallout with this shade, like a lot of fallout. I have to change my shirt because it's all blue now, and I've tried to rub it off and it's just not working. And even the shimmery shades, they're not that shimmery. You can't really tell that I put the green on the bottom of my eye. This one is nice. It's an inner corner highlight right now, so it does look nice in the inner corner, but again, you can't really notice it. I can swatch them for you so you can see how they swatch. So this is how they swatch. I mean, they look nice when they're swatched. They look really nice when they're swatched. So from the top we have Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. I didn't use Queen. This was the only shade I did not use, and I think this is the shade I like the most, swatched at least. But yeah, like, you can't really tell that these are this, you know, so they definitely don't go on the same way they swatch. Yeah, I mean, I thought they would look a lot better. Another thing that I didn't really like, Another thing that I didn't really like is that there's not a transition shade, so I had to jump into another palette in order to have a transition shade, which I wasn't too happy with either. It's nice, but it's not amazing. It's not that great. I probably will not use this again, to be completely honest. Last but not least, I received the Luna by Luna lip gloss in Venus. Prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color, while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip, and this on its own retails for $18. I'm going to use this on its own just so you can see what it looks like on the lips. So here's what it looks like on the lip. Honestly, it's not sticky at all. I actually really do like this. I love that it's a copper, but it's not like a metallic copper. It's a very nice shade. This is something I know that I will continue to use. Luna by Luna, I've never heard of it, but I love this. I'm just going to peel these off of camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm done using the box. I've peeled off my brows. So the box in total came up to $132, and I only spent $45 on the box, so that's not bad. This box in particular, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too stoked about, and like for a few reasons. I'm not too stoked about it because some of the products were blah. The eyeshadow palette I wasn't like too fond of. There's something about this box that didn't give me the wow factor that I usually get when I open boxes, and maybe it's because of the name brand stuff I get. I don't know. It wasn't all that special, this box. So I mean, I still think it's worth it. I still got a few products that I like the brushes, the face mask, the makeup wipes, and even the lip gloss. The one product I'm not fond of whatsoever is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's an alright box this month. It didn't give me the, oh my god, I'm so excited to try these products out like I usually am. But what are you gonna do? Alright guys, that completes my July Boxycharm unboxing, try on, first impression, and review. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 and with the Luxie 246 Precision Ogen Dough Spa Cleansing okay, let me start that all over. Cut. They're not super perfumey or fragrant or effortlessly to create an imaginative looks. Just want to give you a quick review on all three brushes.